Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial at what3words. In this video, we're going to take a look at NALathletics. NALathletics makes it easier for athletes to find a place to train and people to train with. It displays the what3words address of run, jump, and throw locations for the stadiums listed on its map. Let's go ahead and go to NALathletics map site. On the search bar, I'm going to type in Eugene, Oregon, and pick Sheldon High School. And if I click on Run, it gives us the what3words address for their running track. In this case, it is Foods Items Rubble. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in a different location. On the search bar, I typed in Chicago, and I'm going to pick Richards High School. So if I click on Throw Cycle, the what3words address for it is Each Potato Maps. Alright, this is it for NALathletics. Next time you are looking for places to train or people to train with, make sure to use NALathletics. See you next time.